Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to install app on Macbook. Let's get started without wasting any time. To install the application on Macbook, first open the App Store on your Mac. Now click on the search bar and type the name of the application you want to install. Click on Get to download and install the application on your Mac. Suppose if the application that you want to install is not available on the App Store, then you open the browser on your Mac to download the app. Here, enter the name of the application you want to download. As I want to download Chrome browser, I will type Chrome browser for Macbook. Now scroll down and open this website. In this website, swipe down and tap on download button. Again tap on download. Do you want to allow downloads on Google Chrome uptown.com? Yes, tap on allow. Now go to downloads. As you can see, the downloading of Google Chrome app has started. When your application is downloaded, open it by double clicking on it. Now pick up the app and enter it in the application folder like this. As soon as the app is entered, it will start installing. Now close the menu and go to Finder, then go to Application folder. Find your application and open it. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, open. After tapping open, the application will open on your Mac and you will be able to use it. That's it. So guys, in this way you can install any application in your Mac very easily. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.